Welcome to Recall Alert. Honda has announced a major safety recall affecting more than 256,000 vehicles in the United States, due to a software defect that can cause the car to unexpectedly lose drive power. The recall applies specifically to certain Accord hybrid models from the 2023, 2024, and 2025 model years. The issue stems from faulty programming within the vehicle's integrated control module. Under certain driving conditions, the module's internal CPU may reset while the vehicle is moving. When this happens, the car can suddenly lose propulsion or experience a temporary reduction in power, creating a potential safety risk for drivers and passengers. Although the error is linked to only a very small percentage of the recalled vehicles, the manufacturer has received several hundred warranty claims connected to the defect. At this time, there have been no reports of injuries. Owners of impacted vehicles will receive official recall notifications by mail. The repair will be provided at no cost and involves reprogramming the affected software at an authorized dealership. Until the repair is completed, owners are encouraged to check their vehicle VIN using the official recall lookup tool and schedule an appointment as soon as the remedy becomes available. If you drive one of the affected Accord hybrid models, taking action promptly is the best way to ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable. That's the latest update on this important recall. Stay informed, stay safe, and always check your vehicles regularly for any new alerts. Thanks for watching.